Hey y'all, Merry Christmas. I just want to touch base with you and let you know that if you did paint along with me some ornaments or anything really that you painted that was Christmassy following whoever, don't forget that you can turn them into ornaments for next year, even if you don't have time to do it for this year. I recommend scanning them rather than taking a photo. The scanner will get a much better, will give you much better color. Most of us have one of those printer scanner combos at our house. And it's real easy to scan. You just stick your picture on there and press go, and it's pretty much done. So, but however you do it, you can print it off and then you attach it to any piece of wood. This is kind of a 4-inch one, but they do come in the 3-inch and 2-inch as well. I have square ones, I have round ones. I've had a lot of fun with ornaments. I have one dating going back several years. I always write the date on the back so that I remember what year I did it. Seal it with Mod Podge, or I use golden medium just because I like the UV protection that it gives a little bit. So I use it both to glue it down and to cover it on top. And it protects it really well, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet or anything, although it's just hanging on a tree. Some of them come with holes for string and some of them don't. If they don't, just hot glue a little string on the back. It'll work just fine. Don't forget to write a message on the back. Tell them what year you painted it. Have fun. Merry Christmas.